Alright, so you have finished editing your video in Movie Maker. It is time to make your movie, or basically what we call render it. You have everything there down in your timeline or your storyboard, and the last step is to now go to Finish Movie. What I often recommend is that you save it to your computer, so go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up this window, and you can now make a name for your movie. By default, it will just sort of name it after the file name, so if you want to name it something else, go ahead. And then you can select where you'd like to save it. Again, depending on where you are, and if you're using this on an Active Directory computer in one of the schools or on your home computer, it's going to vary. But if you're using an Active Directory computer, obviously you're most likely going to save it to your S drive. So go ahead and find that, select it, and then hit OK. And then after that, click Next. Up here, by default, it will render it as a WMV 640 by 480 pixels, which is great for just general use, especially if you want to move the file, put it on a USB key, maybe post it online. It's a nice size. It's not going to be too large. You do have other choices by selecting this, and you can then go ahead and click on Other Settings. And if you know what you're doing at this point, go ahead. You can change the choices there. But I would recommend sticking with the default best quality for playback on my computer, so go ahead and click Next. And after that, it goes ahead and renders it. And you will, once it's done, you'll be able to see your video project in the folder that you selected for its location when it was done rendering. And that's pretty much it. Shouldn't take very long. And again, it's now on your hard drive. And you have the option at the end to play it when you're done. That's it, everyone. Good luck.